Cleaning your home can often feel like a daunting task, especially if you're managing a busy schedule. What if you could forget about cleaning altogether? Enter this Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a cutting-edge cleaning device designed to make your life easier by taking care of everything for you. Equipped with auto-drying, auto-mop washing, self-emptying, and self-refilling features, this smart cleaning solution is engineered to provide deep cleaning with little to no manual effort. One of the standout features of the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is its all-in-one docking system. The concept of set it and forget it has never been more applicable. After the robot finishes mopping, it automatically washes and dries the mop to prevent any unpleasant odors. No more manually cleaning dirty mop pads. The docking system also refills the robot's water tank, extending the mopping range up to 3,230 square feet, 300 square meters. If that's not impressive enough, the system also self-empties into a large dust bag, allowing the S8 Pro Ultra to hold up to 7 weeks of dust. This all-in-one docking system truly makes it possible to forget about cleaning altogether. You simply set the robot up, and it takes care of the rest, leaving you with a cleaner, fresher home. What makes the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra even more powerful is its dual rubber brush system. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that use a single brush, this model uses two, ensuring a cleaner, more effective result with fewer hair tangles. This is especially useful for pet owners, as it minimizes the chances of pet hair getting wrapped around the brushes. The robot is powered by 6,000 PS suction, which is strong enough to pick up even the tiniest particles from both hard floors and carpets. Whether it's dust, debris, or pet hair, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra will handle it all with ease. The adjustable suction modes available in the app allow you to select a lower mode for lighter cleaning tasks or go all out with the Max Plus mode for heavy-duty cleaning. For those who demand more from their robot vacuum, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra delivers with its upgraded VibraRise 2.0 mopping system. This system offers 2 areas of high-speed scrubbing, up to 3,000 times per minute, and a consistent mopping pressure of over 6 N, allowing it to tackle stains from soda spills to dried-on grime with ease. No more remopping those stubborn stains. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes care of it in one go. The app also allows you to adjust water flow based on the type of flooring in your home. This customization ensures that both delicate floors and tough surfaces are cleaned effectively. For particularly challenging stains, you can select the high mode to apply extra pressure and water for a deeper clean. One of the most innovative aspects of the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is its liftable brushes and mop. When vacuuming carpets, the mop and brushes lift automatically to avoid any water contact or mop dragging. This is particularly useful for homes with mixed flooring types. Carpets and hard floors can both be cleaned without having to switch modes manually. Furthermore, if you set a threshold in the app, the S8 Pro Ultra will automatically adjust itself when approaching obstacles like thresholds or rugs, making navigation smoother and more effective. The reactive 3D obstacle avoidance feature elevates the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's performance to new heights. Using 3D structured light and infrared imaging, this robot vacuum can recognize objects on the floor, determine their size and location, and navigate around them with ease. Whether it's a stray shoe, a toy, or furniture, the S8 Pro Ultra will avoid obstacles, reducing the chance of getting stuck or damaging items. Additionally, LiDAR navigation ensures the most efficient cleaning path. The robot generates detailed 3D maps of your home, allowing for customized cleaning in specific areas or rooms. Whether it's a large open floor plan or a room with lots of furniture, the S8 Pro Ultra can clean it with precision. Why you should consider buying the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Hands-free cleaning. The automatic mop washing, drying, and self-emptying system make cleaning virtually effortless. Superior suction power. 6,000 PS suction ensures no debris is left behind, especially on carpets and hard floors. Pet-friendly. Dual rubber brushes reduce hair tangles, making it perfect for homes with pets. Advanced navigation. Reactive 3D obstacle avoidance and LiDAR mapping guarantee thorough, uninterrupted cleaning. Customization. Adjustable suction and water flow settings allow you to tailor the cleaning experience to your home's needs. If you're tired of constantly cleaning and want a smart solution to handle your daily cleaning tasks, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a game changer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.